In today's video, I will walk you through how to submit a support ticket on Bitfinex. If you ever run into an issue with your Bitfinex account, submitting a support ticket is one of the best ways to get help from the Bitfinex support team. Whether you have questions about your account, deposits, withdrawals, trading, verification, or security, a support ticket allows you to describe your issue and communicate directly with the support staff. To begin, scroll down to the bottom of the page and under Support section, click Contact Us. This area provides access to the Bitfinex Help Center, where you can browse support articles or contact the support team if you need additional assistance. Next, take a look at each section and carefully select the problem you're experiencing. We will select Verification. Next, tap the drop-down menu and select what best describes your problem. Next, enter a clear subject that briefly describes your problem. Then, provide a detailed explanation of the issue in the message field. Include relevant information, such as what happened, when the issue occurred, and any error messages you received. The more accurate and complete your description is, the easier it will be for the support team to understand your situation. If your issue involves screenshots or supporting documents, use the attachment option to upload them with your ticket. Visual evidence can help explain the problem more clearly and may reduce the need for additional follow-up questions. Before submitting your request, review all of the information you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, submit the support ticket and wait for the confirmation that your request has been received. After your ticket has been submitted, you can monitor its status through your email address. If the support team requests additional information, respond through the same ticket so all communication remains in one place. This helps keep the conversation organized and allows your issue to be resolved more efficiently. And that's how you can submit a support ticket on Bitfinex.